For this question, you can see that on the left-hand side, you have double angles like 2x, and on right-hand side, you have x. So whenever you see one angle is double of other one, or in other words, one angle is half of other angle, then always it is double angle formula. This sine 2x formula for sine 2x formula, there won't be any confusing because there is only one formula. So you write that formula 2 sine x cos x, and cos 2x is also not confusing at all. However, you need to understand the context. See here, eventually we need tan x. So using the right formula for cos 2x is helpful here. For example, if you use this formula 1 minus 2 sine square x, there is, when you replace with 1 minus 2 sine square x, um, minus and plus 1, when you replace with 2 cos square x minus 1 and plus 1. So I'm talking about just this part. I'm talking about just this part. If you replace this with 1 minus 2 sine square x, then you'll get negative 1 and positive 1 in the calculation. At least we can get rid of that 1 which we don't need in the end. So, but if you use this formula, if you see, this would become positive 1 and you will end up with 2 in the calculation. So I would not prefer using this formula because it is not eliminating the 1 here. So I would use this formula. So minus of cos 2x is, I'm using 1 minus 2 sine square x plus 1 divided by, again, sine 2x, 2 sine x cos x minus, this is plus here, cos 2x. To eliminate 1 here, to eliminate positive 1, I need negative 1 in the formula. Negative 1 is there in this formula, so I would go with that one. So 2 cos square x negative 1 is formula for this one, and you still have this plus 1. And when you open these brackets, you have 2 sin x cos x. And if you open the brackets, which is minus 1 plus 2 sine square x plus 1 divided by, you can eliminate this part. So you have 2 sin x cos x plus 2 cos square x. And now, again, you eliminate this part. If you see here, you have 2 sin x cos x and 2 sin square x. And it clearly tells us that you can factor out 2 definitely, and you can factor out sin x. When you factor out, you divide each of the terms by this. If you divide this term by 2 sin x, you'll have just cos x. And if you divide this term by 2 sin x, it will be just sin x. Similarly here, you can see that you can factor out 2 cos x. If you carefully observe, you're left with same factor. If you reduce this, it will be 2 divided by 2 is 1, sin x divided by cos x is tan x.